So today, the South Carolina Army National Guard has a unique opportunity to display
Come on, you got this, keep going!
the jobs, civilian careers, and how we combat natural disasters.
We're going to be using night vision tactical goggles.
We brought 4 different unique attractions for kids that get the chance to learn medical professions,
Can you solve us, please?
understand what it's like to work in a night vision type experience, saving a life, virtual firefighting, and hazmat cleanup.
Here you get to experience things that you wouldn't have normally thought of. And I think the students need to realize that there are jobs out there that they didn't know exist. And so by having this kind of experience on campus, they get to see that and they get to feel that.
When you have the chance to build 2 careers at once, such as getting a civilian career through your school system, joining the National Guard, we pay for your certifications, we pay for the trade school, and now you're just like everybody else in civilian society with a good job.
30 chest compressions count!
And you have the military experience on your background.